Instagram has reportedly offered cash to high-profile TikTok users to lure them to its new short-form video service, Reels. We talked about Reels. They rushed to get Reels out when India banned TikTok, and then they started to launch Reels in other markets shortly after. Prior to that, they had been testing it in other markets, Brazil, Germany, and others. Now they're going to rush it to the U.S. We have our issues going on. Not our issues. I guess we're in Canada. We'll wait and see what happens. But the U.S. has stated their issues with TikTok, investigating and looking into it. So there is a push. People are figuring out where they're going to live, their social media lives, their online presence. Mm-hmm. And some of these people are prominent players in the TikTok space, providing tremendous content. Up until this point, TikTok hadn't done much about it beyond those people selling their own sponsorships for their tremendous user base. TikTok came out, so we're going to do a $200 million fund. You heard about it. Mm-hmm. Now we get this report that Instagram, who's really Facebook, says, nah, we want to play in this battleground. We want a piece of this war. We want to be on these front lines. You see him trying to...
Yeah.
Comparison there. It's a battleground.
Mm-hmm.
It's really not. It really doesn't matter that much. But anyways, they have apparently offered certain users somewhere in the neighborhood of $100,000. They don't say exactly because no one wants to be named in this thing. I'm sure everything was confidential, but somewhere in the hundreds of thousands of dollars to move over. I don't know what these contracts would look like. I would assume these people would leave TikTok for Facebook, for Instagram in the form of Reels. Reels is a bit different. You have 15 seconds to work with instead of 60, but I can imagine some nervous TikTok users with a number of followers looking at this deal from Instagram saying, Instagram looks robust. I could go over here. I could look at this paperwork here. Nice little lump sum figure. What am I doing? I'm dancing to the tunes over here. Mm-hmm. I take some Facebook money, move all my life. Maybe I buy a new car.
And with a younger audience, I guess, 100,000 is a lot to them. I mean, it's a lot to us, but
hey, Will, take it easy over there. Did you just flex?
I mean, if I'm a teen, 100,000 is a ton of money.
No, I know, but I feel like you just flexed on the audience, and it was a little bit rude of you.
No.
You were like, if I was like 18 or something, 100 grand. Sheesh. Well, take it easy on them. They're not ready for that.
No. But it's a ton.
No, it is. It is. I know, sure. Of course it is. And, Zuckerberg has been obsessed with the young people because he had them at one time. Mm-hmm. And then he lost them. I mean, now he wants them back. Come home, young people. Yeah. And the young people, they left Facebook. Instagram's hanging in there a little more, but Snapchat happened. TikTok happened. TikTok, what do you got? 2 billion downloads, whatever it was. That's Zuckerberg's looking at that. He's saying, that's my money. Mm-hmm. Get out of here. So he's ready to take them back, and he's going to make all the moves necessary to make it happen, even if it's a couple $100,000 here and there. It ain't nothing to Zuckerberg. It might be something to teenage Will. Ain't nothing to Zuckerberg.